Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Cole and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer the most frequently asked question by the developer, whether he's a beginner or advanced or intermediate. So the question is same, which is the best available book for Python? So in this video, I'm going to cover the 5 best books available for Python. So let's jump over to it. But before continuing to the video, let me tell you about the course which I have launched for Python. For those who are new, I'm going to upload the whole course for Python where I'm going to cover the basic and the advanced level and data structures and algorithms as well. And after moving further, we're also going to cover the things like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and watch this playlist because it consists of so much content available. So let's jump over to the books. So first and foremost, the best book which I recommend, which I myself read, is Python Crash Course by author named Eric. So this particular book covers everything like very briefly, and this book is divided into 2 parts. In the first, the book covers everything like loops and basics, functionality and classes, all the things in Python. And the part 2 of this book consists of the projects, and the projects consist of like related to web development, data visualization, and much more. And this is the photo of the particular book. I will give you the link on my description down below, so definitely check that out. And next we have Head First Python. So this is the second book which I recommend to the beginners because this book consists of the topic very briefly, and this book is best book for Python developers. So I highly recommend this book as well. So next I'm going to talk about the books for intermediate or advanced people. So those who are already jumped from the basics and now focus more on the specific domains like data science or machine learning. So these types of books are for them. So let's jump to the first book. The first book is Python Data Science Handbook by O'Reilly. So this book covers every single topic briefly on data science. If you want to become a data science further, so I highly recommend you to learn from this book because all the modules and all specific topics and with a lot of examples, this book is a great book for a data scientist. And next we have book for those who want to focus on machine learning and data and artificial intelligence. So this book is also from the same company, which is O'Reilly. The book name is Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. So this book is written by Andreas and Sarah. So basically this book covers everything briefly on machine learning. So if you want to become a robotic engineer, so this book is like a bible for you. So and the last, I have a bonus book for you, and I would say this particular book is quite expensive as well. So this book only focus on data structures and algorithms. So this particular book has a lot of content available. One of my friend has this book and I read a lot from it, and I really love and really recommend those who can afford this book because this book is like quite expensive, and also this book is quite heavy going. It has about 800 to 900 pages, and this book is amazing. I will definitely give the link in my description down below. So these are all the books available for Python. On my next video, I'm going to cover about strings and all the methods that we apply on strings. So do check that out and stay on tune, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So this will also give me motivation. And thanks all. This is all for today's video.